Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a LED TV Toshiba 40-inch LED TV to repair. This problem is customer has given me to repair no picture. Toshiba brand, Toshiba brand 40-inch. So let's see. There is red light. Then we turn on the TV. So it has come green light. So there is no picture. Okay. If we can turn on and we can turn off by remote. So if there is no picture, then we have to do at first do like this. If you see any light blinking, so that means our picture is okay. But if I do see no light, yeah, so backlight is a problem. Second things, we will press menu, then we search by flashlight, then we can read. Can you see? Read B. So we can see picture. Can you see? This is the picture. Yeah. Analysis. Yeah. So we can see picture by flashlight, but there is no backlight. Okay, so we have to repair the backlight. Now let's see how to fix it. Okay, viewers, now can be problem LED strip, or can be problem from LED driver also. So at first we will check our LED strip is okay or not by LED tester. We turn it on. Yeah, our LED is glowing. Dear viewers, to check a LED strip, I have connected LED proof plus and minus. Okay, now LED is glowing. See there is light. If I turn off, see if I turn off, yeah, it's gone. Then turn on, yeah, it has come. See, problem is LED driver. Dear viewers, I have checked all the voltage, then finally I found this MOSFET. This MOSFET is not working. Yeah, this MOSFET is not working. So this MOSFET number is SMN01L20. Okay, so this is not working. So this is the gate, drain, source. So I'll do here, I'll remove this MOSFET from board, then I'll make jumper from source to drain, gate, drain, source. So I'll remove this MOSFET, then I'll make a jumper from source to drain. Then I hope inshallah will be okay. I have removed this MOSFET. I have removed the solder. Then I have made the jumper from source to drain. One jumper from source to drain. So inshallah hopefully will be okay. Let's see. I'll fix it and video will be back. Dear viewers, so I fixed the cable. So just turn on the switch. Okay, then let's see we have picture or not. Okay, TV is turned off. Can I show you? Okay, TV is the red light. Yeah, okay, then we turn it. Yeah, so green light. Yeah, alhamdulillah, we have picture, we have backlight. Yeah, see, we have backlight. So I'll fix all the screws and then video will be back. Like, okay viewers, let's check it. Toshiba, alhamdulillah, display has come. Yeah, so TV is working. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.